In this video, let us solve the question number 32 of CBSE Class 10 Maths Sample Question Paper 2024. The question carries 5 marks and is taken from the chapter Quadratic Equations. There are two questions. You can solve any one of them. The first question among these is, a motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Since we have to find the speed of the stream, let us keep the speed of the stream as x km per hour. Now let us write. Let the speed of the stream be x km per hour. Now it is given that speed of the motorboat is 18 km per hour. So while going upstream, its speed what it becomes lessens. So its speed is 18 minus x km per hour. Then the speed of the motorboat in downstream. Speed of the motorboat is 18 km per hour. Speed of the stream is x km per hour. While going downstream, its speed increases by x km per hour. So now let us write 18 plus x km per hour. Then time taken to go upstream. What is the formula for time? Time is nothing but distance by speed. What is the distance? 24 kilometer it goes upstream. Speed of the boat in upstream is 18 minus x. So now we can write the time taken to go upstream is 24 by 18 minus x. 24 by 18 minus x hours. What is the time taken to go downstream? Here distance is 24. Speed of the boat in downstream is 18 plus x. So 24 by 18 plus x hours. According to the question, the motor boat takes 1 hour more to go upstream. Means this is the upstream. 24 by 18 minus x minus what? Time taken to return downstream to the same spot. That is 24 by 18 plus x is equal to 1 hour. So now according to the question, the time taken for upstream, it is 24 by 18 minus x minus time taken for the downstream 24 by 18 plus x is 1. 1 hour more. It takes 1 hour more. This takes 1 hour more. This is 1 hour more. So, now let us solve the equation. First let us take LCM. What is the LCM? 18 minus x into 18 plus x. Here 24 is common. Here 18 plus x goes here. Minus this one. Be careful. 18 minus x goes here. 24 we have taken outside. 18 minus x. Put bracket is equal to 1. Now observe. After the removal of bracket, what happens? 18 plus 18 and minus 18 get cancels. X, this one becomes plus s, x. X plus x becomes 2x. 2x into 24. What it is? 48 by 18 square minus x square by using the formula a plus b into a minus b. 18 square is 324 minus x square is equal to 1. Move this to this side. 324 minus x square. 48 is equal to 324 minus x square. Let us write it in the standard form. X square 48 x, I have forgotten. 48 into x. 48x. 48x plus 48x. If 324 is transposed to this side, it gains negative sign. Negative of 324 is equal to 0. Now we have the equation which is in the standard form. X square plus 48x minus 324 is equal to 0. Now let us factorize 324 to get positive of 48 minus 6 plus 54. If you add these two, you'll get 48. Observe, 54 minus 6, positive of 48. 54 into negative of 6 is negative of 324. So now let us write the equation as x square plus 54x minus 6x minus 324 is equal to 0. Group. Here x is common. X plus 54. Here negative of 6 is common. X plus 54 is equal to 0. So x plus 54 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative of 54 or x is equal to 6. We got x is equal to 6 or x is equal to negative of 54. Now we have the values of x as x is equal to 6 or x is equal to negative of 54 as the speed of the stream. But x is the speed of the stream, you know it. It cannot be negative. This value is discarded. So x is equal to 6 gives the speed of the stream. So speed of the stream x is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. Or you can also solve this question. The question is, two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 or less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. A smaller tap fills the tank, taking more time. Let us write it as, let the time taken by the smaller tap to fill the tank as x hours. Then the time taken by the larger tap to fill the tank is, it takes 10 hours less. So now the time taken by the larger tap is x minus 10 hours. So if the tank can be filled in x hours by the smaller tap, in 1 hour how much part of the tank can be filled? X hours, 1 full. 1 hour, 1 by x, cross multiply. 1 by x. Now let us write, part of the tank filled by the smaller tap in 1 hour is 1 by x. Then we can also find the part of the tank filled by larger tap in 1 hour. In x minus 10 hours, it can fill one tank, isn't it? So in 1 hour, how much part of the tank? 1 by x minus 10. So 1 by x minus 10. The tank can be filled by both taps in 9 3 by 8 hours. Now let us write like this. 9 3 by 8 is equal to 75 by 8 hours, isn't it? Two taps together fill the tank in 75 by 8 hours. Then in 1 hour, how much part of the tank can be filled? 75 by 8 means one tank. In 1 hour means how much part? 8 by 75, because 1 by 75 by 8 is equal to 8 by 75. This part of the tank can be filled in 1 hour. In 1 hour, smaller tap can fill the tank 1 by x portion. So 1 by x plus larger tap fill the tank in 1 by x minus 10th portion. That is equal to, what is the portion here? 8 by 75. Now let us solve this equation. Here LCM is x into x minus 10 in the numerator. Here x minus 10, here plus x is equal to 8 by 75. Here x plus x, 2x minus 10 divided by x into x, x square minus x into 10, 10x is equal to 8 by 75. Now let us cross multiply. 150x minus 750 is equal to 8x square minus 80x. Now let us write it in the standard form, 8x square. Now let us transpose to this side. Negative of 150 plus 80. Negative of 230 x. Transpose this to this side. Positive of 750 is equal to 0. That is equal to 4x square minus 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 fives are 2 threes are 2 sevens are 2 fives are. So now we have 4x square minus 115x plus 375 is equal to 0. Now let us solve the equation by using the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here, so x is equal to negative of b is negative of 115 plus or minus b square 13,225 minus 4 4s are 16 into 325 is 6,000 divided by 2 into a 2 into 4 8. So x is equal to 115 plus or minus square root of 7,225 divided by 8. So x is equal to 115 plus or minus, this is square root of 7,225 is 85 divided by 8. So now we have x is equal to 115 plus or minus 85 by 8. When we take positive, we get the value x as 25. When we get negative, x is equal to 30 by 8, which is equal to 15 by 4. Time taken by the smaller pipe cannot be 15 by 4. Here x is equal to 15 by 4 or 20, isn't it? 25, isn't it? So, time taken by the smaller pipe cannot be 15 by 4, which is equal to 3.75 hours. You can convert it into the decimal places, isn't it? As the time taken by the larger pipe will become negative, x minus 10 it should be. So it will become negative. You can understand 3 minus 10 negative value, which is logically not possible. Therefore, time taken individually by the smaller pipe and larger pipe will be 25. Smaller pipe 25 hours and larger pipe 25 minus 10, that is 15 hours respectively.